Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Man Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends are universally fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very beautiful, fantastic, stylish ideas, beautiful nail art ideas and nail paint ideas for girls and ladies. And for those ladies who love to apply these all beautiful and stylish nail art ideas and nail paints ideas, nail art with some are beautiful acrylic nail, false nail and beautiful summer nail ideas, nail designing for stylish girls and ladies. So please keep watching and keep supporting my channel Man Fashion and press bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos, my tips and ideas. It's too impressive and too beautiful, fantastic ideas, stylish ideas and good look ideas, beautiful and fabulous ideas, nail art ideas. Some are with nail, beautiful nail accessories, some like beads, stones, and some are with beautiful nail paint, golden nail, blue nail, pink nail, yellow nail, gray nail, and many different type of beautiful red and stylish and mind-blowing sky blue and pink nail art ideas. So you can also try these all beautiful nail art ideas on your own hands and you look like a beautiful girl, you look like model. Okay guys, now I have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching my video. See you again till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.